Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mark, and today I'm going to teach you a really simple but important principle about boxes that are put together like this with teeth or whatever those are called. This is really important because I want you all to learn this. This is made out of 1/8 inch MDF, okay? And these pieces fit really snug, but they fit, and I don't have any glue here at all, and I love the way it fits. And of course, these slots are also made for this same material, so it fits all nice together just like this. Check this out. These pieces were cut out of 1/4 inch MDF from the exact same file as this one. So all of the teeth around the edges are exactly the same. I'm going to show you something. This is a little difficult for me because I'm not exactly behind the camera here. I'm doing it from an angle. But these fit exactly the same way that the 1/8 inch does. Excuse me just a second. Let me bring it over here where I can see it. And it fits together nice and snug, just like this. I want you to see this. This is the difference right here. It fits together just fine the exact same way because these teeth here, or fingers, were cut exactly the same way as on this one. The only difference is that it sticks out. If you can see this, it sticks out further because this material is thicker. But of course, these things never change size regardless of what size material. So even if you had 1/2 inch, it would still go together exactly like this. It would just hang over the edges like this. All right? So why does that matter? Well, when you're making a box like this, if your material is similar in size to what it was made for, like let's say this was made for 0.11 and your material is 0.125 or something like that, chances are really good that it's going to fit just fine. You won't even really notice the overlap here, and you're not going to have to adjust these at all because it's still going to fit. The only part you're going to have to adjust is these slots here because then the material has to actually fit directly in that. But in boxes like this, as long as you're within a little bit of tolerance, you won't even see it hanging over here and it'll fit just fine. You see that? Just like that? That's almost double the thickness of this, and it still fits just fine. So I hope that helps you as you think about boxes. Let me know if you need any help with that, but I think this will help you going forward.